Hi, I'm going to talk to you today about a C stand that I received for review. And as you can see, it comes with pretty much everything you need to get your lighting gear or anything that you need to mount on an angle or a very heavy piece of equipment. This will work great for you. It has a three-level riser that you can see that snaps right into place, and the main shaft actually screws into that base. This will hold up to 45 pounds and includes things like a sandbag, so you can use that to offset the balance or if you happen to have something really heavy on the end of the crossbar. These grips work great. You can use them to run the crossbar across the middle. You can put it on the back side, use it for other attachments. The sandbag itself comes like this, and you can fill it full of sand, or I like to put gravel in mine or big rocks, and you can use that either on the back of the pole to offset some heavy equipment, which I'm showing you right now. A light that I use, it's an LCD panel, which is not heavy at all. It does not really require that sandbag, so there's nothing in the sandbag at this point. But you can also use that sandbag on the base, like I'm showing here. So if you happen to be on uneven ground or there's a super high wind, that will help offset any problems you may have. And like I said, this thing will go up to 10.8 feet, and you can use it for other things such as holding a diffuser like I am here. And use the length of the pole for that, or you can connect it to the crossbar, which you can then manipulate in any kind of angle you want, or even overhead since it's so tall. So if you're in the market for a really nice heavy duty stainless steel C stand with a boom arm, I highly suggest taking a look at this one. It should serve you well.